Mhm. Hello, welcome. Let me take you through MASENO. MASENO Business Paper 1. Business Paper 1. The first question, state 4 components of economic business environment. Question 2, state 4 differences between oligopoly, and the perfect competition market. State 4 components of economic business: inflations, price fluctuations, availability of credit, interest rates, consumer income, tax rates, subsidies. State 4 differences between oligopoly and the perfect competition market. Composed of few but large firms of the market, composed of many sellers in the market. There is interdependence among firms in decision making. Firms make decisions independently. Products have cross substitutes. Products are homogeneous. There is government intervention. There is government intervention too. Use the table below to calculate the consumer price index in each using the base year 2023. The question was this. So this is what you are required. CPI is what you are required to calculate, and here is the CPI. A retail owner has been underpaying his whole staff over a period of time. Highlight 4 ways in which the business may be affected because of this malpractice. They may be dishonest. They may lose morale, lowering the production. High turnover of employees leading to inefficiency in production. Reduced accountability due to high turnover of employees. The production process may stall if key employees pull out without immediate replacement. State 4 activities under the extractive level of production: mining, lumbering, finishing, fishing, quarrying, farming. Identify 3 office equipment used to perform the functions: used for making shorthand dictionaries, dictaphone, dictating machine; used for preparing cash receipt, cash register; used for printing postage, franking machine; used for transmit letters and maps, fax made, fax machine. State N 4 limitations of consumer initiated method in controlling consumer exploitation. Lack of government support, ignorance of the consumer about their rights, inadequate finance, reluctance of some consumers to join the associations, consumers' reluctance to report cases of non-compliance. Outline 4 circumstances under which a businessman may prefer to use a cargo ship over a cargo plane: when the goods are bulk, when the goods are heavy, when there is need to save on the transport cost, when connecting areas that lack airports but are connected by water. State 4 effects of each of the following transactions on the balance sheet: totals by writing increase or decrease or no effect in each case. Sorry. Put machine on credit, increase. Withdraw cash from the business for personal use, decrease. Purchase stock in cash, no effect. Paid outstanding by check, decrease. Outline 4 circumstances under which highlight populated growth would be desirable in an economy: high population growth, when large workforce is required, when a country wants to increase national income, when there is emergence of war, when there is a large pool of resources which need to be exploited. I write 5 sources of revenue to the country government of Kenya, to the country, to the county government of Kenya, to the county government of Kenya. Taxes levied on production, fees, royalties earned from heritage sentence, allocation from the central government, taxes levied on individual income, appreciation on fixed assets like land. List for documents that are required before a public limited company can be allowed to operate. Memorandum of Association, Article of Association, Certificate of Incorporation, Prospectus, Certificate of Trading. State for situations in which the opportunity cost concept may be used in real life situation where resources are scarce, where wants are many, where wants are compatible, where wants vary in urgency. State for challenges person may experience when using M-Pesa for most of his business transaction. Transaction fee is charged. Network may be a problem. Some people don't accept M-Pesa. Can only be used by business which also use M-Pesa services. Can be subject to fraud. State for importance of business activities in an economy. Creates employment, allows for utilization of idle resources, allows for specialization and the division of labor, leads to urbanization, avails a variety of goods, leads to development of infrastructure. Number 16, extracted from a books of where were traders, open stock, crossing stock, purchases, margin, calculate the value of his sales. Outline 4 procedures followed in personal selling. Identifying the prospective buyer, preparing for the presentation, establishing customer contacts, arousing interest in the product. State 4 experiences that are incurred in the process of distributing goods. Number 1, actual cost of buying the goods, transport cost, storage cost, advertising cost, insurance cost, salary and wages, packing and branding. State 4 features of insurance interest. There should ownership or financial relationship. There should be legal right to insure. The financial loss should be measurable. Law should be recognized by the law, should be based on good faith, should be pure and not speculative. Prepare a 2-column cash book for the month. This is the column, the cash book. This is the question 20, as you can see there. The following balances were extracted the books of enterprises. Calculate the net worth of the above business by 31st December 2022. Fixed assets, current assets, creditors for year loan. Net worth is equal to A minus L. Business people, you know what that means. Outline 4 benefits of using social media such as WhatsApp groups for communication in an office. There is broadcast messaging, there is remote communication, there is user-friendly interface, it cost-effective, there is sharing of media files, support group communication. 23, the table below shows extract of general journal, Randura Enterprises. Required give narrations of transactions that took place on these times. So these are the transactions that took place. Highlight 4 goals of economic development. State 4 forms of economic interactions. Thank you. Share.